Welcome to the SAT Flash Go podcast. This podcast is designed for high school students preparing to take the SAT. We are going to provide you with the tips and strategies so that you can ace the SAT. Now, without further ado, let's go on to the topic for today.
Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Danny, and today we're taking a look at the writing section of the SAT. The theme for this week is transitions. We're going to get started by sorting some transitions into categories, and then I'll give you a quick tip for handling transition questions on the SAT, and then I'll give you guys a practice question. Let's get into it. Remember, the 4 categories of transitions are contrasting, timing, cause and effect, and adding. I'll give you the transition, give you a moment to think of the correct category, and then I'll give you the correct response. Ready? Let's go. In fact, adding, in spite of, contrasting, meanwhile, timing, or adding, likewise, adding, hence, cause and effect. However, contrasting, nevertheless, contrasting, next, timing or adding, nonetheless, contrasting. All right, guys, there were some tough ones in there, but hopefully you're getting better as the week moves on. Here's a great tip for handling tricky transition questions. The most difficult transition questions typically ask a student to choose between cause and effect transitions and adding transitions. For example, archaeologists must be well versed in the cultures of the sites they excavate. Blank, a minimum of 5 years work experience is required for most openings. These ideas add to each other rather than cause each other. A good transition for this would be in addition, which is an adding transition. So let me say that sentence again. Archaeologists must be well versed in the cultures of the sites they excavate. In addition, a minimum of 5 years work experience is required for most openings. Now it's your turn. Use the tip that we just learned to find the correct answer in the following practice question. Ready? The waves started to intensify. Blank, the surfer noticed the sky turning dark. The possible answers are A, consequently, B, also, C, nonetheless, and D, thus. Now here's the sentence again. The waves started to intensify. Blank, the surfer noticed the sky turning dark. Take a moment to think of the correct answer. We eliminate nonetheless because these ideas do not contrast each other. The question then becomes, do the ideas cause each other or add to each other? Idea 1 is the waves started to intensify. Idea 2 is the surfer noticed the sky turning dark. These ideas add to each other since the waves intensifying doesn't directly cause the sky to turn dark, even if they both imply a storm is coming. The correct answer is B, also. Join us tomorrow for some more transition practice.
This episode of the SAT Flash Go podcast is powered by Ivy Experience, an educational company. Ivy Experience provides students SAT and ACT test preparation, college application and essay coaching, academic advising, and more. Ivy Experience helps students succeed in a world where college admissions are more competitive than ever. Please check out ivyexperience.com to learn more about this great service. Now, guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode for today on the SAT Flash Go podcast, and we'll see you on the next one.